Kamusta nyo? Magandang araw. It's Jem here, and today I'm actually at the cinema, and it's because I'm gonna watch EXO Chanyeol's movie here in UAE. There's actually a line already. There's tons of EXO-Ls, and yeah, I will just be bringing you guys with me in the things that we will do, and I will show you the freebies. And make sure to follow them, the organizers, on their Instagram page and on their social media, so you will be updated every time there is an EXO-L kind of event here in UAE. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you guys later. Ano ko po kayo sa YouTube? Say hi po! Magulo na! Guys, these are the freebies that I got. There's actually a lot.
Yeah, 'cause you get light on the more it gets me apart. I don't care, man. 희미하게 흘러나오는 빛을 향해.
So before I end this video, I want to talk about how good the movie is, and I'm not being biased just because I'm an EXO-L, but if you guys love movies, especially when it comes to music kind of theme for the movies, I would suggest that you really watch this. It's good. I didn't expect it to be good because there's a lot of stereotypes that whenever idols act, they're not as good as real actors, but yeah, Chanyeol portrayed his character very much, and we know him very well in real life that he's very bubbly, but it's really good to always see him very versatile with his acting, and you would know what his character is about when you watch the movie. So please do support Chanyeol, and again, thank you to Ate Nicole and the team who organized this event. And she said that it will not be the last, but it is just the first. So for those of you who live in UAE, make sure to follow them on all of their social media accounts to see any updates. And our pictures are actually liked by and shared by a lot of fan accounts that are huge, and the father of Chanyeol actually liked the photo that we posted on Facebook. So yeah, we're very happy, and I hope it reaches Chanyeol himself. But yeah, hey guys, Ate is here. You have seen her in a lot of vlogs now. And my EXO-L's here. Marie! Yeah, so this is how I will end the vlog. I will just be putting the pictures here as well. Make sure to follow Ate Nicole and their social media account. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Annyeong! God bless!